Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Saturday, and we have a 3-layer cake or a 2-layer cake, depending on which kind of fly baby you are. So if you're a payroll fly baby, it's possible that you could have a 3-layer cake. Let's look at that possibility first, and then we'll go down to the 2-layer cake. So the first layer for everyone is our routines. We're going to do our morning routine for ourselves and then our children. We're going to do our laundry routine only if you haven't gotten your laundry done during the week. So those of you who are at-home fly babies, you've already done yours during the week. You are not doing laundry on Saturday. If you're a payroll fly baby and you did not get your laundry done because of extensive, maybe you had a bad schedule or whatever, then you're going to get your laundry done. If you didn't have a bad schedule and you just didn't discipline yourself, I want you to rethink that. But today you're going to do your laundry. Everyone is going to do paper routine because the mail runs 6 days a week in the United States. So we're going to go through an inch of our paper because it's going to go away. Because you're in charge and you're doing an inch every day, it will eventually go away. Next, we're going to do our after dinner routine, which is later in the day, and our before bed routine for ourselves and then our children. So that's our routines. The second layer of our cake is our zone. So if you're a payroll fly baby and you didn't get your zone done during the week because you had extensive scheduling, then you're going to do it today. If you did do it during the week, then you don't have to do it. If you were just not disciplined, then you're also going to have to do it, and think about why you put that off, because now here you are and you're going to either have to do it or skip it altogether and feel bad about yourself. Listen, when you did your schoolwork when you were a kid, didn't you feel great when you turned it in? When you're working at work and you have a project, doesn't it feel great to work on that project and get it turned in? Well, that same feeling can be yours about your home. You just have to make yourself do things. You have to be disciplined. You don't have to. But I'm telling you, if you want things done, discipline yourself. I am not asking you to do hours and hours of work after work. I'm asking you to do a few minutes. That's all, just a few minutes. So if you didn't do your zone, you're going to have an hour at the max, 4 things to do. 4 15-minute segments if you are having clutter issues, or 4 10-minute items if you're doing deep cleaning. And it was the front porch, okay, the entryway. All right, now that would be layer 2, which is not for some people. And then the third layer, or second layer, for those of you who don't have to do it, is today is Family Fun Day. And that's not much of a layer. It's not like it's a work layer, it's a fun layer. So go have some fun with your family today. All right, that's it for today. Don't always remember, I almost said don't forget. I'm trying hard not to say that. But remember that clutter checks are happening 3 times a day, 7 days a week, to keep that clutter from rebuilding on these areas that you've decluttered. And you're inspecting what you expect and following through as a parent. Okay? All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful.